Good evening, children. Good evening, children.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Hi. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Children, read out the last question which we did in the previous class. We started word problems, right? Please open your notebook and read out the last question of the previous class.
Ma'am, actually, you accidentally forgot to send the recording, ma'am.
Forgot to send what, Shreya?
The recording, ma'am.
Ma'am, the last question was question number 8. The diameter of sun, diameter of earth.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah, right. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we discussed the answers to exponents, right?
No,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Did an exponents worksheet revision. Worksheet.
Correct. Okay. So last class was on. Yes, I also remember that, Shreya, right. I'll do the needful. Yes. You want me to share the recording of the previous session, is it, Shreya?
Ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am. That's because you wanted all those questions in the notebook, right? That's why.
Okay. Yeah. Right. Shreya, yes.
Ma'am, should I say the last question that
Yeah,
we did in
Anantika?
linear equations?
Yeah, right. That's what I wanted. Yes.
Yeah, 1 second. Let me just see.
Ma'am, Netra, ma'am.
Yes, Netra. Hi.
Ma'am, can you send me the exponent box? I actually see the last, which I did not attend the recording. Can
Ma'am, it
I?
is question number 4.
No, read the question. I'm just coming back to Netra. Yes, Anantika, read the question.
The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. If the new number formed by reversing the digits is greater.
Yeah, I got it. How many word problems have we done?
1, 2, 3, 4, ma'am.
4. Just read the first few words of every question.
Ma'am, 2 numbers are in the ratio 5 raised to the 5 raised to 8.
Okay, next
Then
one.
2 numbers are in the ratio 3 raised 3 like 3 raised.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
Then find the number whose fifth part increased by 5 is equal to its fourth part.
Okay, fine. And then this number, this question, fourth one.
Yes.
Which you just read.
Yeah.
All right, fine. Yeah, okay, I get it. Yeah, thank you, Anantika. Yes, Netra. Netra, I got one thing that I have to share the recording of the previous session with you, right?
No, ma'am. You actually send it to me before, ma'am. I actually need the worksheet, ma'am. I will try to attend it.
And worksheet, I think it's already there in the portal, right, children? You can see all the 4 worksheets on exponents. Yes or no?
Oh yeah. We can see there, ma'am.
Yeah. It's there. Yes, in the portal. You can see it in the portal.
Okay, ma'am. I will check and try to attend it, ma'am.
Yeah. Fine. Yeah.
Ma'am, I need actually I do not have the recordings for some formulas, ma'am. I need the linear equation and exponents and question number
I'll share the playlist link so you can have access to all the recordings. I won't send you the recordings individually. I'll share the playlist link of each of these chapters, exponents and linear equations, so you can see all the recordings in them.
Ma'am, actually, the slide for formulas, ma'am. The formulas. Creation number.
You have to. Correct. You'll have to check where it is, Netra. Yes, I'll share all the recordings with you. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Fine, children. We are good to begin now. See this question. What should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? Okay. What should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3? So twice the rational number, 2 times minus 7 by 3. What should be added? Okay. So what should be added to this one to get 3 by 7? Twice the rational number meaning twice, 2 times minus 7 by 3. What should be added to this? So let x be added. To get the result 3 by 7. So that means is equal to 3 by 7. To get meaning equal to. So as I told you, read the information, and we have to construct an equation, a mathematical equation out of the information given. Using the information, we need to construct a mathematical equation. So what should be added? Let x be added. X be added to what? Twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7. Yeah, work this, children. You can see the answer also. This is a simple one to solve, so you can help yourself.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, sir. Yes, Shri.
How does minus 14 by 3 turn to plus 14 by 3, ma'am?
On transposing, no?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
No problem. Yes. When you transpose, it becomes plus 14 by 3.
Ma'am, is there another way for this? Like we can take 3 first and then 14, ma'am. Ma'am.
3 first and then 14. No, minus 14 by 3 is one fraction. You cannot take 3 and then. Okay, I think see, if it is like this, if it was 7, say like minus 14 by 3, x is equal to 3 by 7. Then what you say is right, minus 14x is equal to 3 by 7. You can first take 3 and then you're talking about a situation like this, right?
Yeah, ma'am, I actually collected that situation.
Yeah. This you can take 3 separately and then you can bring down minus 14. But when it is plus or minus, you'll have to take it as a whole. This one as a whole is transposed.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Finished writing, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you multiply 2 into minus 7 is minus 14. So minus 14 by 3 plus x is equal to 3 by 7. Now we need to transpose this. We need to transpose this to find the value of x. So minus 14 by 3, when taken to the RHS, becomes plus 14 by 3. Now we need to simplify these two fractions. So the common denominator, that is the LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So 7 into 3 is 21. So into 3 here, 3 3s are 9. 3 into 7 is 21. So into 7 here. So 14 7s are 98. And 98 plus 9 is 107. 107 by 21. So 107 by 21 is to be added to twice this number to get 3 by 7. The perimeter of a rectangle is 13 centimeters and its width is 2 3 by 4 centimeters. Find its length. So we know the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. So 2 into the length is not known. So let it be L or X plus breadth, which is 2 3 by 4, is equal to 13. This is the equation. See, we have to read the information, construct a mathematical equation and solve the equation for the variable. That's all it is. So now for this information, we need to use the formula because it's about the perimeter of a rectangle. We know that 2 into L plus B is the perimeter, which is 13, which is given here, 13. 13 is the perimeter. So 2 into, you can even call the length of the rectangle as X. X plus what is the breadth? 2 3 by 4 is equal to 13. So this is the equation. You need to solve this equation and find the value of X. You can see here, let the length of the rectangle be X. The perimeter is given to be 13 centimeters, which means 2 into length, 2 into L plus B, or 2 into length plus width. Width is also the breadth. Both are the same. Okay. So 2 into length plus width is equal to 13. See, perimeter is 13. Perimeter is 13 means 2 into L plus B is equal to 13. So 2 into length is X plus 2 3 by 4 is nothing but 11 by 4. 2 3 by 4 is nothing but 11 by 4, mixed fraction. Improper. 11 by 4 is equal to 13. Now, this 2 comes for division. This into 2 here will come for division on the other side. So this 2 is here. Now 13 by 2. This 2 comes for division. So 13 by 2. Then plus 11 by 4 becomes minus 11 by 4 on the other side. Plus 11 by 4 becomes minus 11 by 4 on the other side. Then common denominator. And you find the value of X. And that is the length of the rectangle. Right on, children?
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, you can ask me anywhere, any questions, anything you don't understand, please ask me. Is this clear, children?
Ma'am, Netra,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Clear.
Yes, Netra.
Ma'am, we can actually take the 2, actually the 2 to the 13 by 2, ma'am. We can take it, ma'am.
Yeah. No, you have not completed. I'm listening to you. You can take 2 where Yes, go on, Netra. I'm listening to you. I wanted you to finish.
Ma'am, actually, the 2 in the 2x plus 1 by 4, we can actually take to 13 by 2. How?
Oh, how it becomes 13 by 2, is it?
Yeah, it's so.
Yeah, here it is for multiplication, no? 2 is in multiplication here. So when you take it to the other side, it goes for division.
Oh,
It becomes the opposite operation. Addition becomes subtraction on the other side. Subtraction becomes addition on the other side. Multiplication becomes division. Division becomes multiplication when you transpose.
okay.
So here it is 2 into. So it's 2 into. It's in multiplication. So it goes for division to the other side. So 13 by 2. It will go to the denominator to the other side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mama, I did 2x plus 11 upon 2 because 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So like that.
Correct. That's also fine. Yes, very good, Netra. Thanks for asking that question. Others?
Done writing, ma'am.
Yeah. Ariston? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, finished writing this? Do you understand
Yes,
this?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I understood it.
Yeah. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. Find their present ages. So in this question, we have 2 characters, Sahil and Sahil's mother. Now, what is given? The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. So we'll assume Sahil's present age should be X. Let Sahil's, don't write now, let Sahil's present age be X years. Then Sahil's
mother 3x years.
Mother's present age would be 3 times the present age of Sahil. So what will that be?
3x.
3x, because 3 times Sahil's age. 3 times Sahil's age. 3 times meaning 3 into. Not 3 more than. 3 more than is plus 3. 3 times. So 3 into Sahil's age, x. So which means 3x years. After 5 years. So now don't read the question ahead. We'll find out their ages after 5 years. So after 5 years, okay. So 5 years into the future, Sahil's age after 5 years. After 5 years will be what, children? Now you are 13 years old. After 5 years, you will be 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5. Your present age plus 5. So what will Sahil's age be after 5 years? What is Sahil's present age?
X plus 5, ma'am.
X plus 5. Very good. Present age plus 5. Sahil's age after 5 years will be Sahil's present age. X plus 5. In the same way, Sahil's mother's age after 5 years. After 5 years will be
3x plus 5.
Yeah, mother's present age plus 5. Now, so these are the basic assumptions you need to make. When you read the question, you know that there are 2 characters, Sahil and Sahil's mother. And we assume Sahil's present age as X years. With that, we are able to assume Sahil's mother's present age, 3x years. Then since we see that after 5 years, don't read the question ahead. After 5 years, when you see that, immediately write their ages after 5 years. Sahil's age after 5 years, Sahil's mother's age after 5 years. Now continue to read the question. After 5 years, their ages, their meaning Sahil and Sahil's mother. THEIR, their meaning Sahil and Sahil's mother's age, their ages will add up to 66 years. So this is the information with which we are going to construct the equation. We've only been assuming so far. So far, we're just assuming, let this be x, let this be 3x, and like that. Now, this is the information we are going to use to construct the equation. Their ages will add to 66 years. When? Now, the thing is, the present ages add up to 66 or their future ages add up to 66?
Ma'am, future age, ma'am.
Yeah, their future ages add up to 66 because after 5 years, not the present ages, after 5 years. So their future ages add up to 66 years. That is Sahil's age after 5 years, this one, plus Sahil's mother's age after 5 years. The sum of their ages, it's given there. Why are we adding? Because it's given there. Their ages will add to 66. That means Sahil's age after 5 years plus Sahil's mother's age after 5 years is equal to 66. This is the equation. So you'll have to solve this equation and find x and find their present ages. Right on, children?
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, good.
Ma'am, it says that their ages will add up to 66 years. But if we add 42 plus 14, it's not 66.
Okay, so 14 plus 5, 19, 5 years into the future. 42 plus 5, 47. This adds to 66.
So we have to do plus 5.
Yeah, because the sum, it's not given that the sum of their present ages is 66. What is the information given? The sum of their future ages add up to 66. So we have found their present ages. So with the help of the present ages, you can find their future ages, and that total will be equal to 66, correct?
Yes. So the answer should be future ages or present. Oh yeah, present ages. Got it.
Oh, you're checking you're verifying your answers. So when you verify 14 plus 5 is 19, 42 plus 5 is 47, and total to 66. So your answer satisfies the condition given in the question.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yeah, but we have to write only their present ages, not their future ages.
Yeah, because they've asked find the present ages.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so right now they've given the present age. So if you want a future age, you should just add +5 to both of their ages, right?
Yeah, correct, correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So let Sahil's present age be X years. According to the condition in the question, Sahil's mother's present age is 3x years. 5 years later, Sahil will be X plus 5 years old and Sahil's mother would be 3x plus 5 years old. So this is about the assumption. Now the condition which we use to frame the equation, the sum of their ages is 66. The sum of their future ages is 66. So this is Sahil's future age. This is the mother's future age. These two add to 66. So with the help of that, you find the value of x, which is 14. And what is x? X is Sahil's present age. And that's what we have to find. And using x, we find 3x. Sahil's mother's present age.
Ma'am, the question looks difficult, but it's really easy to solve.
Yeah, very good. Yes. Correct. The question looks difficult, but it's very easy to solve. Well said. So now how do you solve this equation? X plus 3x is 4x. 5 plus 5, 10. And when you transpose 10, it becomes plus 10 becomes minus 10. So 66 minus 10 is 56. And now this is 4 into x. Plus 10 becomes minus 10 on the other side. This is 4 into x. 4 into x. So 4 here is in multiplication. We'll go for division to the other side. So x is equal to 56 by 4. Not minus 4. Because it's 4 into x. So it comes to division to the other side. So 56 by 4, which is 14. And we have not found their, we have constructed the equation using the future ages. But when you solve, you get the value of x, which is Sahil's present age. Because the condition, just because the equation is constructed using the future ages, it's not that you will get something related to the future, related to their future age. No, we solve to find the value of x, and x is Sahil's present age.
From 49shelf.com. The present age is sometimes called the
Yeah. So with the help of, so we find x, which is Sahil's present age. And since we have to find their present ages, once you get Sahil's present age, Sahil's mother's present age is 3 into 3x. So 3 into 14, which is 42 years. All of you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
nice. All right, children. Next one. Oh my God. Why do I have this here? 1 second. Yeah. So here, Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. See, like the the NCERT textbook, it's so outdated. The textbooks are, it's the same, at least as far as I know it, for the last 20 years. It's the same. So the English is also like, the old age English kind of. So try to understand what's given there. Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. So the first thing is, there is this person Bansi, and he has coins of 2 different denominations with him. He has 2 rupee coins, and he also has 5 rupee coins. Okay, so he has 2 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins. How many 2 rupee coins? We do not know. How many 2 rupee coins? Okay, not notes, so coins. So he has 2 rupee coins as well as 5 rupee coins. How many 2 rupee coins he has? We don't know. How many 5 rupee coins he has? We don't know. But there is some relation given between the two. He has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. So that means if the number of 5 rupee coins is X number, if the number of 5 rupee coins is X, then what will be the number of 2 rupee coins? If the number of 5 rupee coins he has is X, then the number of 2 rupee coins will be 3X. Because 3 times. Okay, 1 minute. Let's just try to understand something about denominations, number of coins, and the value of money. See, here we need to understand what is denomination, what is number of coins or number of notes, and then the value of money. All right. So denomination, supposing rupee 5 coins, and you have 10 coins. So what's the value of money you have with you? Rupees?
Excuse me, ma'am. This is Aishwarya. I had a device, a network issue in my device, so I was not able to join.
Oh, okay. You're just in the meeting, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry about that. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yeah, so should I look at the recording for the previous, or like can I take screenshots of the slides?
Yeah, I can love you to do that. Yes, let me show you. Yeah, this is the first question. You can see the question with the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the first one we did today.
Okay.
Second one.
Yes, I'm done.
Third one.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is the present question we are working on. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So for the explanation, you can use a recording.
Yes, ma'am, I'll do that.
Yes. So children, I was telling you, if you have 5 rupee coins, if you have 10 5 rupee coins, then what is the value of money you have with you? No, are you not answering because it is a difficult question or is it a simple question? 50 rupees. Yeah, 50 rupees. 50 rupees. So supposing you have 2 rupee coins. 2 rupee coins. You have 15 2 rupee coins. You have 15 coins of 2 rupees.
rupees, ma'am.
So you have 30 rupees. So the denomination is one thing. Number of coins is another thing. Value of money is a different thing. Denomination is like 1 rupee coins or 1 rupee notes, 2 rupee coins, 5 rupee coins, 10 rupee coins. That is a denomination. Number of coins is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many coins you have? You count and it's about the number of coins you have. Value of money is a different thing. Value is the denomination multiplied by the number of coins. 5 into 10, 50 is the value of money. 10 coins does not mean you have 10 rupees. 10 coins does not mean you have 10 rupees. Yeah.
I didn't understand this. Can you please repeat? I didn't even understand it.
Okay. So Shreya, you have some 5 rupee coins, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So you have 5 rupee coins with you. How many you have? How many 5 rupee coins? Supposing you have 5 rupee coins. Then what is how much money you have with you then?
25 rupees.
Yeah, you have 5. This is a 5 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin. So then how much money you have with you? 25 rupees.
25,
that is
yeah.
Yeah, that is the denomination into the number of coins will be the value of the money. Supposing 10 rupee coins. This is a 10 rupee coin, 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 and 10 rupee coin. So the denomination is rupees 10. The 10 rupee coin. Denomination is 10. What are the number of coins you have? 6.
6 numbers. So it's 60 rupees.
So value of money. The value of money you have with you is 10 into 6. Denomination into number of coins. Denomination is 10 and the number of coins is 6. So the value of money, that is the total money you have with you, is 60 rupees. In the form of coins. It's the same as having a 50 rupee note and a 10 rupee note.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So here, Bansi has 2 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins. He has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. So if the number of 5 rupee coins is x, then the number of 2 rupee coins will be 3x because 3 times he has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. So if the number of 5 rupee coins is x, then the number of 2 rupee coins is equal to 3 times x.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now we know that the denomination into the number of coins is the value of money. Is the value of money. This is the denomination. This is the denomination. This is the number of coins. Number of coins. 3x coins. X coins. This is the number of coins. When you multiply the denomination of the number of coins, you get the value of money. So what's the value of all the 2 rupee coins? 2 into 3x, 6x. Here 6x rupees. And here, what is the value of all the 5 rupee coins? 5 into x, 5x rupees. When you multiply, see, when you multiply the denomination and the number of coins, you get the value of money.
Okay,
so the value of all the 2 rupee coins is rupees 6x. The value of all the 5 rupee coins is rupees 5x. Now, what is the total value of money with him? He has 77 rupees and all. That means rupees 6. This is the value of all the 2 rupee coins. This is the value of all the 5 rupee coins. So 6x rupees plus rupees 6x plus rupees 5x is equal to rupees 77. Which means 11x is equal to 77. X is equal to 77 by 11. X is equal to 7. So x is 7 means he has 7 coins of 5 rupees and 21 coins of 2 rupees.
Understood, ma'am.
Yeah. So see this one. This is just an example. Okay. This is just an example. So supposing you have children, this is not about this question, meaning it's not the answer to this question. This is just an example for us to understand the situation better. So supposing you have 5 rupee coins and 2 rupee coins. You have, see, a denomination. Number of coins. You have 10 5 rupee coins and you have 32 rupee coins. So what's the value of money? 5 rupee coins, you have 5 into 10, 50 rupees. And 2 rupee coins, you have 2 into 30, 60 rupees. So what's the total value of money you have? 50 plus 60, 110. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So see here. It's given that the number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. That's the meaning there. That's the meaning. Number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. So let the number of 5 rupee coins be x. So 2 rupee coins will be 3x because 3 times, so 3x. And see the table here. You can understand this table. And according to the question, the value of all the 5 rupee coins plus the value of all the 2 rupee coins is equal to the total value of money. So 5x plus 6x is equal to the total value of 77. 5x plus 6x is 11x is equal to 77. X is equal to 77 by 11. X is equal to 7. You can include that step. 77 by 11. So x is equal to 7. X is 7 meaning the number of 5 rupee coins is 7. So the number of 2 rupee coins will be 3 into 7, 21. Right down, children? Please take down the question and the answer. Don't write only the answer.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Finished writing, all of you?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, children. All of you?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Okay. Okay, class, use the emoji, raise your hand. Use the raise hand option, raise your hand, class. Anantika, Ariston, Gayatri, Shriya, Harsha, Ashwarya, Netra. Ashwarya, Netra, Lakshana, are you all there?
ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So you're there. Okay, fine. Very good. All right, children.
Ma'am, can you show for 1 minute?
The answer, right?
Ma'am, can you show the answer for 1 minute, ma'am?
No, you want me to explain or present the answer for some more time?
That's the answer, ma'am.
Okay.
I mean, that
You want me to present the answer for some more time, right? You don't want me to switch to the next slide, correct?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll wait for you. Yes.
Ma'am, Netra, ma'am, I wrote, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Any questions, children?
No, ma'am, easy.
All right.
Ma'am.
All right, children. See the next one. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Find these multiples. So we know that the consecutive multiples of 11 will differ by 11. The consecutive multiples of 11 will differ by 11. So if one multiple is x, the next multiple will be x plus 11. And the one after, okay, 1 minute. Let's write the multiples of 11. Now, for example, 66, 77, and 88. Okay. Are these three consecutive multiples of 11?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, they are three
Yes,
consecutive
ma'am.
multiples of 11. Very good. So if you call the 66 as x, then how do you write 77 using x? X plus what is
plus
77? X plus 11. And how do you write 88 using x? X plus?
X plus 22.
X plus 22. Very good, Ariston. X plus 22. Now let's consider consecutive multiples of 9. Okay, any three consecutive multiples of 9. So say 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81. If you call this as x, this is x plus what?
9, ma'am.
63 plus 9 is 72. Very good. And what about 81? X plus?
X plus 18, ma'am.
X plus 18. Yeah, because 63 plus 18. One carried over 7, 8. Now, what if we assume like this? So we said 63, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81. So if this is x, then this is x plus 9 and this is x plus 18. Now, what if we assume like this? If you call this one as x, then what is this? And what is this in terms of x?
Ma'am, x minus 9 and x plus 9.
Very good, very good. Yes. What if we assume like this? If you assume this number is x, this number is x, then what is this and what is this in terms of x?
Ma'am, 7.
3 will be minus 18, x minus 18, and 72 will be x minus 9.
Yeah. So these are the different ways in which you can assume. There are even there are few more ways also. We'll see that when we take up another question. I'll not, like push everything into your mind at the same time. So you understood this one, children? Is this okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
again, let's come back to 11. So 33, 44, 55. These are three consecutive multiples of 11. So you can call this as x. Then this will be x plus 11. And this will be x plus 22. So you can say, let the three consecutive multiples of 11 be x, comma, x plus 11, comma, x plus 22. Or you can even assume this, x, x minus 11, and x plus 11. So you can say, let the three consecutive multiples of 11 be x minus 11, x and x plus 11, whatever. I don't know how I have done. Okay, so these are the consecutive multiples. And what is the condition? The sum, their sum is 363. So if you add these three numbers, their sum, see their sum meaning their total. So x is one number, x plus 11 is another one, and the third one is x plus 22. Please look at this. This is one number. Okay, so here are the numbers. So when you add them, so put a plus sign between them. When you add them, the total is 363. These are the numbers. When you find their sum meaning when you add the three numbers, they total up to 363. So that's the equation. So we need to solve this equation and find the value of x. And once you get the value of x, you can find the three numbers. X is 110. So the next number will be 110 plus 11, and this will be 110 plus 22.
Yes, ma'am. I got
Yeah.
it. And I solved the equation also.
Yeah, very good. Yes, children, please write down the question and take down the answer. Again, any further questions, please feel free to ask.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Aishwarya, my screen, my voice, all fine?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Everything is
Okay.
fine.
Yeah. Aishwarya, I would like to know if you have issue with Teams and joining, or is it internet issue in general?
No, ma'am. Internet issue in general. Teams has nothing to do with this.
Okay, fine.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Well, if you finished.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now the same thing I want you all to work with this assumption. Let the three consecutive multiples of 11 be x minus 11, x, and x plus 11. Well, this one, children. See if you're getting the same answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
The same question.
Yeah. Same for the same question. Yes. For the same question, we'll use these three numbers as the consecutive multiples of 11.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, if you write it in the side as other method, ma'am.
Yeah, you can just say alternate method and write down the same thing. Or you can just say or and yeah. You don't have to write the question again. Yeah.
Exact same, ma'am.
What's the value of x you're getting?
121.
The middle number you'll get. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
So minus 11
Ma'am,
plus
it's the
11.
same thing, but it's an alternative method of
Yeah.
assuming.
Correct. Just that we assume in a different way. The way we construct the equation is the same. The sum of the three multiples is 363. We assume the numbers in a different way. So here minus 11 and plus 11 gets cancelled. X plus x plus x is 3x. 1x plus 1x plus 1x is 3x is equal to 363. So x is equal to 363 divided by 3. Into 3 comes for division. So x is equal to 121. You will not get the same value of x. Here the value of x we got is 110. You will not get the same value of x here. The value of x will be different, but the three numbers you get will be the same. So what are the three numbers? The three numbers are the three multiples of 11. The three consecutive multiples of 11 are x minus 11. So that is 121 minus 11, which is 110, x, which is 121 itself, and x plus 11, which is 121 plus 11, which is 132. So you get the same three numbers, but the value of x will be different.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. All of you?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think we finished this one, right? No, not this one. A similar one, not this one. No, we've done a similar one, but not this one. Yes, children. Try this one. Take down the question, try this. I'll just come back in 2 minutes, children. Please try this one.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Got the answer, ma'am.
Yes, children, I'm back. What are the two numbers? Yeah, what are the two numbers, children?
44 and 110, ma'am.
Harsha, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read out from your book.
Ma'am, so 5x minus 2x is 62. So
62, huh?
66, ma'am. Sorry.
Why 5x minus 2x? It's 2x minus 5x, right?
Yes, ma'am. Oh.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, yes.
Ma'am, so 2x minus 5x is equal to 66. So 2x
Okay.
minus 5x is minus 3x, which is equal to 66. So
Okay.
x is equal to 66 upon minus 3, which is minus 22.
Okay.
In order to get the numbers, so we'll multiply 2 into minus 22, which is minus 44.
2 into minus 22, which is minus 44.
And 5 into minus 22, which is minus 110.
Minus 110.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the difference between the two numbers now?
Ma'am, these are the two numbers.
Yeah, so how do you check? The difference between the two numbers should be
Yes, ma'am.
66.
So minus 44 minus in brackets minus 110 is equal to 66. So minus 44 plus 110 is equal to 66, ma'am, when you add it.
Correct. So now I'll tell you two different things. Harsha was also right. So again, it depends, like, I won't say, see, you actually can give two answers for this situation because what are the two numbers? If the question, find the two natural numbers. If the question, oh, it's given whole numbers. Oh, I didn't read that. That's what I was trying to say. It's given the difference between two whole numbers. Okay, good, good. Okay, so now I'll go back to who was that who gave the answer? No, Anantika. Anantika, we got x is equal to 2x is equal to minus what was that? Minus 44 and 5x is equal to minus 110,
Minus
right?
110. Yes.
Yeah, but they're not whole numbers. The difference between two whole numbers is 66. See there. The difference between two whole numbers is 66. You constructed the equation correctly. You got the value of x, but then
The
when
answer is not correct.
yeah, the answer is minus 44 and minus 110. These two numbers, they satisfy the condition, but they are not whole numbers. They satisfy the condition, meaning the difference is 66, but they're not two whole numbers. They're not two whole numbers. So see, let the two numbers be 2x and 5x. Okay. Let the two numbers be 2x and 5x. Now the difference between the numbers is equal to 66. So 2x minus 5x is equal to 66. Difference between the numbers is equal to 66. So when there are two whole numbers, normally we construct the equation like this, but you'll have to be careful. Here it's given the difference between two whole numbers is 66. We know that two whole numbers meaning they are positive. Both the numbers are positive. If the numbers are so two whole numbers meaning both the numbers are positive. Yes or no?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
both, yeah, two whole numbers meaning both are positive numbers because whole numbers are positive. Numbers can be positive or negative. Just numbers can be positive or negative. But whole numbers are positive because whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And they are positive. The difference is positive 66. So don't you think it should be the greater number minus a smaller number, which is 66? Because
How to change the equation, ma'am? How we can change the proper equation into for the question whole number?
louder, Netra.
And how we can change the equation for the question that it mentioned whole number, ma'am? We can't change the proper equation, no.
We are not changing. Let me finish. We are not changing anything. We are following the rules, the conditions in the, we are constructing the equation, following the conditions in the question. So it's given that the two numbers are whole numbers. The whole numbers meaning both are positive. So it will be the greater number minus the smaller number is equal to 66. So between 2x and 5x, 5x will be the greater number. 2x will be the smaller number. Between the numbers 2x and 5x, 2x is the smaller number, 5x is the larger number. And and 2x and 5x are whole numbers. 2x and 5x are whole numbers. And their difference is 66. It's a positive difference. So now supposing you take the numbers 20 and 50. What is their difference? Minus 30. That's because they've written the smaller number first and then the greater number. But here they're telling you that the difference between the two whole numbers is a positive 66. So then it should be like 50 minus 20, no? The greater number minus a smaller number. Only then you'll get a positive difference of 30.
Okay, ma'am. We should follow the conditions of the questions to follow the answer.
Yeah, because the difference is positive. The difference is positive. It's plus 66. When will you get a positive difference? Only when you subtract, only when you write greater number minus smaller number. Only then you can get a positive difference. If you write smaller number minus greater number, the difference is always negative. When the numbers are whole numbers. When we say whole numbers, that means the numbers are positive. That's the first thing. When we say whole numbers, the numbers are positive. That's the first thing. When both the numbers are positive, when you subtract like this, smaller number minus greater number, both are positive, right? So smaller number, say 30, larger number 70, you will get a negative difference. But if you do it like this, the greater number minus a smaller number, you will get a positive difference. And here you can see the difference is positive 66. So you must.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
So it should be 5x minus 2x here. Though the ratio is 2:5, the numbers are 2x and 5x. But the order in which you subtract should be 5x minus 2x is equal to 66. So that's what Harsha said, but you were not able to. I asked you the question, why 2x, why 5x minus 2x, why not 2x minus 5x? Harsha, you were not able to answer that question, so I didn't go ahead with you.
Ma'am, I got the answer as 44 and 110.
Yeah. Okay, here I've done a different way. I'll explain. Yeah, you can see it here. I've done it in two ways, children. This is method 1. Like what we just understood. No. Oh, I've done it in many ways, I think. 1 minute. Okay, here is I've worked it in a different way. So let me write out here what I just explained. Let the two whole numbers. Let the two whole numbers be 2x and 5x. Difference between the numbers is equal to 66. That means greater number minus smaller number is equal to 66. Greater number is 5x, smaller number is 2x is equal to 66. 3x is equal to 66. X is equal to 66 by 3. X is equal to 22. Therefore, the numbers are 2x, 2 into 22, 44, and 5x, 5 into 22, which is 110. Write down, children. Please write down.
Ma'am, may I be excused for a few minutes?
Yeah, was it Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Lakshana, kindly disable your mic. Done writing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can also do it like this. I have two other ways in which you can work the same question. So now you can, so here what we have done is we have used this part of the information for assumption. And this one for constructing the equation. Ratio 2:5. We've used that for assumption. Let the numbers be 2x and 5x. And the equation we have constructed using the difference is 66. Now here you can see we have constructed the, we have used this information for assumption. And we have constructed the equation using this one. So you can see here, greater number minus smaller number is equal to difference. Greater number minus if the smaller number is x. If you call the smaller number as x. See, this is your rough work, okay? This is your rough work. This one is your rough work. You can do this in the rough column. Okay, but it's important. Now you write it like you see it on the screen. In the exam, you don't have to present it here. Even if you do this, you're not wrong. The teacher is going to be more happy with you. You'll only be more clear. If you present this as a part of your main working, you'll only be more clear. You'll only make your teacher happy with your performance. It's not that this is not meant, this is not to be shown as a part of the main work. So for the assumption, so see here, greater number minus smaller number is the difference. If you have the greater number as it is, minus if you call the smaller number is x, is equal to the difference 66. So then the greater number is equal to, you can see here, how do you find the greater number? Greater number is equal to this minus x will come to this side, right? This minus x will come to this side as plus x. So it will be x plus 66. This minus x, if it comes here to the other side, will become plus x. So x plus 66. So going by this, let the smaller number be x, then the greater number will be x plus 66. Correct? Or if you assume the greater number to be x, so x minus a smaller number is equal to 66. Then x, bring the 66 to this side. Plus 66 becomes minus 66. And minus smaller number will become plus smaller number on the other side. Minus smaller number will become plus smaller number on the other side. So then the smaller number is x minus 66. So if the greater number is x, then the smaller number will be x minus 66. If the greater number is x, take this minus smaller number to the other side and bring the difference here. So difference will become minus 66. Because plus 66, it becomes minus 66. Minus smaller number will become plus smaller number on the other side. So here, the greater number is x, the greater number is x, and the smaller number is x minus 66. Okay. So now use the second part for the equation. 2:5 is a ratio. So 2 in the numerator represents a smaller number. 5 in the denominator represents a greater number. 2:5. Clearly 2 is a small number, 5 is a greater number. So according to the condition, smaller number by the greater number is equal to 2/5. Why smaller number by greater number? Why not greater number by smaller number? Because the ratio is 2:5. So 2 parts, 5 parts. So 2 parts is smaller than 5 parts. So smaller number by greater number is equal to 2/5. The smaller number is x divided by the greater number x plus 66 is equal to 2/5. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. We have seen how cross multiplication works. So 5 into x is equal to 2 into x plus 66. So then 2 into x is 2x plus 132 is equal to 5x. Yeah, transpose and all that. X is equal to 44. And then find the other number. The other number is x plus 66. Take down this working, children.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So here is the other method. So in all now you have 3 methods. So here this is the rough work, which can also be shown as a part of the main working. Okay, this is very important. So greater number minus smaller number is equal to difference. Here we call the greater number to be x, minus a smaller number is equal to 66. 66, when you bring it to the other side, minus 66, minus smaller number to the other side, plus smaller number. So if the greater number is x, the smaller number, see a smaller number is x minus 66. So children, it's easy to understand because see, supposing the numbers are 5 and 15, you know. 5 is a smaller number, 15 is the greater number. If you call the smaller number as x, then the greater number will be x plus 10, right? Or if you call the greater number as x, if you call this one as x, then the smaller number will be x minus 10. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, take any two numbers. Supposing you consider the numbers 20 and 70. If you call the smaller number 20 as x, then what is the difference between the two numbers? 50. Difference is 50. If you call the smaller number as x, then the greater number will be the smaller one is x. No, so obviously the greater one will be the smaller one plus the difference. If you call the greater one as x, 20 and 70, if you call the greater one as x, the smaller one will be x minus 50. So after the assumptions, so here the greater number is x, the smaller number is x minus 66. Ratio is 2 by 5, so smaller number by greater number is 2 by 5. Substitute the expressions you have assumed, cross multiply, and x is 110. And hence find the two numbers. So the numbers will be the same, whatever be the assumptions, the two numbers you get will be the same. Have you taken all the 3 methods, children? This is the first one.
Yes, ma'am. Got all of them, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, children, and one more thing I need to excuse myself is tomorrow I have to travel to a university regarding admissions for my daughter who has just finished her 12th standard. I had promised that I'll compensate Monday's class tomorrow. But I think given to the yeah. So given to my commitment to travel to the university tomorrow, I don't think I'll have time because I have the other regular class in the evening. I can do it in the evening. During the day, I'll be engaged, but even if I want to do it in the evening, I have 2 other classes in the evening, the regular classes. So excuse me for tomorrow, children. I'll try to make it on Sunday. What I'll do is I'll just let you know. I'll not promise any day now. When I can schedule the class for you, I'll just text you on WhatsApp. Please respond to that message with yes or no. If it is not convenient, do let me know. So I'll change, and finally I'll get everybody's acknowledgement to go ahead with the class, and then I'll confirm the class. So if it will not work for you, please let me know. All
Okay,
right?
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now, for example, very early in the morning, very early meaning like 8:30 to 8 to 10. Will that be okay with all of you? Oh, but
No,
Ariston has
ma'am.
school, right? Ariston has school, right? Are you there, Ariston? What happened? He's not there. Oh, I'm not able to hear you. Okay. Okay, he has school, so I don't think we can do it in the morning from 8 to 10. I can't hear you, Ariston. No, I'm not able to hear you. Okay. Is morning fine for all of you? I'll
No,
check with
ma'am.
Ariston. Yeah, who is that?
Me, ma'am, Shreya.
Yeah. Reason?
I usually don't wake up by that time in the morning. That's why, ma'am.
I'm not going to conduct a class every morning from 8 to 10.
Ma'am, when are
Okay,
you
ma'am.
planning
Just
to
give me
take
a
it 8 to
second.
10?
Sorry, Anantika?
Ma'am, on what date are you planning to take it from 8 to 10? Because it may be any day I'm free, like 8 to 10, I can attend the class.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Just
So
a second, ma'am. I'll just go ask my mom and see, ma'am.
no, if you will not wake up at that time, you have to ask yourself. Your mom will not answer that for you.
Then it's okay, ma'am. Just let me know the date, then it's okay, ma'am.
I'll let you know the night prior so that you can mentally make up your mind to wake up early that next morning.
Sure, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Is it fine? 8 to 10? Not
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow. It will not be it will not be tomorrow. Friday or Saturday, 8
Yes,
to 10 in
ma'am.
the morning. All
Okay,
of you?
ma'am. Evening
Okay.
is the only problem, but morning is fine.
Fine. Okay. What about Lakshana?
Excuse me, ma'am. This is Aishwarya. I
Yeah.
don't think I can confirm on whether I can come on Friday or Saturday because we're traveling.
You're traveling, is it? Okay. Gayatri and Harsha?
Yes, ma'am. Sunday morning,
Harsha?
ma'am.
Yeah, Gayatri?
Ma'am, Friday, Saturday, Sunday morning, I can't be, ma'am.
Oh, you cannot attend, is it? Okay. Okay, so can I carry forward this compensation class to next week then?
Ma'am, next week in the morning or like
No,
when?
no, next week I can do it in the evening itself. Like we could, we'll have the regular class on Monday from 7 to 9 or 7:30 to 9:30. Maybe that day I'll fix it for the next day at the same time. That is Tuesday
okay,
from
ma'am.
7 to 9. Tuesday from 7 to 9 in the evening. Okay,
Yes,
we'll do that. Yeah, we'll fix it for next Tuesday or so we'll have the next regular class on Monday. So on that day we'll decide if we can have the class on Tuesday from 7 to 9 in the evening.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yeah.
ma'am, actually from 8:45 around, I have another class on Tuesday.
Evening, huh?
Yeah.
Okay,
Evening is
no.
the only time I'm not free. In the morning, it's fine.
Okay, fine. All right, I get it. Anantika, fine. Okay, now it looks like this week it's difficult to have the compensation class. We'll meet the regular class on Monday, and probably that day we'll decide when we can have it. Okay, we'll continue now. So one thing which is like confirmed is that we cannot have it this week. The compensation class, I cannot make it this week. Yeah, children, look at this one. Deveshi has a total of rupees 590 as currency notes. Rupees 590 as currency notes. That means the value of money is 590 rupees. The value of money is 590 rupees. See, rupees 590 as currency notes in the denominations of rupees 50, rupees 20, and rupees 10. The ratio of the number of 50 rupee notes and the 20 rupee notes is 3:5. So that means she has she or he, I don't know. So 3x 50 rupee notes and 5x 20 rupee notes. Number of 50 rupee notes 3x. Number of 20 rupee notes 5x. Now the total number of notes is 25. Okay, the total number of notes is 25. So the denominations here are these three. Now this one is 3x and this one is 5x. 5x. So put together 8x. In all, the total number of notes is 25. So the number of 10 rupee notes will be 25 minus 8x. Let's do it slowly. Denominations. Is this correct, children? Are you fine with the denominations?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the number of notes. Coming to number of notes. How many 50 rupee notes, children? How
3x.
many 50 rupee notes? 3x.
3x.
How many 20 rupee notes?
5x.
5x. What is the total of the 50, all the 50 rupee notes and 20 rupee notes?
7x. Sorry, 8x.
8x. What is the total number of notes in all?
25.
25.
So total number of notes is 25. So then the number of no, somebody's mic is enabled. So the number of 10 rupee notes will be the total 25 minus 8x, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See, it's like the angle sum property in a triangle. So you all know that the sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So supposing this is 50 and this is say 60. What will be the third angle? One angle is angle 1 is 50 degrees.
60 plus x is equal
Angle
to
2,
180.
yeah, 60 degrees. Angle 3 we don't know, but we know the total is 180. Angle 1 is 50 degrees. Angle 2 is 60 degrees.
50 plus 60 plus x is equal to 180. So 180 minus 110 is equal to x.
Correct.
Like that.
So 50 plus 60, correct, is 110. So angle 3 will be 180 minus 110. 180 minus 110, which is 70 degrees.
Yes, ma'am. So the third angle is 70 degrees. Similarly, you have to find this one out.
Yeah. So here also the total number of notes is 25. And the total of 50 rupee and 20 rupee notes is 8x. So 10 rupee notes will be 25 minus 8x. So now coming to the value of money. Now coming to the value of money. 50 rupee notes, 3x. So the value of money will be 50 into 3x. 50 into 3x, 150x. Value of money. 50 into 3x. 150x. Rupees 150x. 20 into 5x. Rupees 100x. 10 into 25 minus 8x. Like this. 10 into 25 minus 8x. So 10 into 25 is 250 minus 80x. Correct? Yes or no? So this is the value of money. This is the value of money. When you add all these three, it will be equal to 590 rupees. 150x, because the total value of money is 590. So here the total, how do you find the total value of money? 150x plus 100x plus 250 minus 80x. This is the value of all the 50 rupee notes. This is the value of all the 20 rupee notes. And this is the value of all the 10 rupee notes. So when you add all these three, that will be equal to 590. So here I've also worked it for you children as to how we get 25 minus 8x. So this is again rough work. You please write it as a part of the answer now. So you can see here number of 50 rupee notes plus number of 20 rupee notes plus number of 10 rupee notes is equal to 25 because the total number of notes is 25. So 3x plus 5x plus number of 10 rupee notes is 25. So 3x plus 5x is 8x. So on the other side it will become minus 8x. So number of 10 rupee notes is 25 minus 8x. So I've written it like this. This is the denomination, 50 rupees. How many notes? 3x. And this is the value of money. 20 rupee notes, number of notes, and this is the value of money, like that. Yeah, please write down, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Written, ma'am.
Yeah. Anyone still writing? Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Done writing, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. All of you?
Yes,
Done,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. We'll do this in the next class. We'll take a simpler one because, yeah, look at this. Present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. Okay. So what is the present age of Anu? What is Anu's present age?
4x.
Yeah, Anu's present age is equal to 4x years. And what about Raj's present age?
5x.
8 years from now. So we are diving 8 years into the future. Anu's age 8 years hence. 8 years hence meaning 8 years later. Okay. Anu's age 8 years later will be
5x.
you are now 13 years old. 8 years later you would be
So 5x plus 8.
not 5x
Sorry,
plus
4x plus 8.
Yeah. What about Raj? Yeah, somebody else.
Raj's age
Anantika.
would be 5x plus 8.
Yeah, thank you, Anantika. Class, all of you please acknowledge. Let me write it from the beginning. Somebody else tell me what is Anu's present age? What is Anu's present age? When I ask you what is Anu's present age, you cannot tell me the number. I'm asking you the assumption. How do you assume Anu's present age?
Ma'am, who should answer?
Not Anantika. Yeah. 4 years.
4x, ma'am.
4x years. And what about Raj's present age?
5x.
5x years. 5x years. What will be Anu's age? Anu's age 8 years later. What is Anu's present age? 4x. 8 years later, 4x plus 8 years. Raj's present age? Raj's age 8 years later. Raj is now 5x years old. 8 years later, he would be 5x plus 8 years old. Okay, so we are done with the assumptions. Now the equation. 8 years from now. So they are talking about these ages. 8 years from now. So they're talking about these ages. The ratio of their ages will be 5:6. So where 5 is smaller than 6, meaning 5 parts is less than 6 parts. So here also, you know that Anu is younger to Raj because Anu's, meaning you can see the parts here, 4 parts, 5 parts. This is Anu, this is Raj. So from the ratio, you can make out that Raj is elder. So here also, this is Anu, this is Raj because 6 parts. 5 parts represent Anu because she is younger, 6 parts represent Raj because he is elder. Now the ratio of their ages is 5/6 or 5:6. So Anu's age 4x plus 8 divided by Raj's age 5x plus 8 is equal to 5/6 is the equation. We need to solve this equation and find the value of x and hence find 4x and 5x. Right on, children? This isn't 5.8 or something, the full stop. Actually, you don't have to write this. It's here it said. The table is sufficient. You don't have to write this. Either you write statements or you make this table, any one of the two. If you make the table like this, you don't have to write the statements like this. You don't have to write these statements. Or you write only statements like this. You don't have to make the table like this. You can write statements like this. And you don't make the table. Or you make only the table. Do one of the two. You don't have to do both. Make only the table, or if you're not making the table, write it in words completely.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Aleph. Okay. I did not, I was not, meaning I did not tell you how to solve this because you already know, right? We have to cross multiply, get all the x terms to one side, numbers to the other side, and find the value of x. So minus and minus gets cancelled and x is equal to 8. Minus and minus gets cancelled, so x is equal to 8. So Anu's present age is 4x. 4 into 8, 32 years, and Raj's present age is 5x, which is 5 into 8, 40 years. We have to find the present ages, which are 4x and 5x. Is that fine, children? Yeah, any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night. You may leave the call.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.